You might have heard people say that Hong Kong is a tax haven, or that it's got low taxes or even no taxes. Is this true? What they're referring to is Hong Kong's Offshore Profits Tax Claim. Companies that take advantage of this claim are exempt from paying any Hong Kong taxes. In this video, I'll explain 1. What is Hong Kong's Offshore Profits Tax Claim? 2. The key factors of determining whether your company qualifies for the Offshore Profits Tax Claim. Number 3, the process of making the claim. And number 4, some common examples of how all of this works. What is Hong Kong's Offshore Profits Tax Claim? Hong Kong uses a territorial basis tax system, meaning that Hong Kong will only tax income that was made within Hong Kong. The Offshore Profits Tax Claim is a claim that a company or its tax representative makes that notifies the Hong Kong tax authorities that the company's income was made outside of Hong Kong and therefore should not be taxable in Hong Kong. How do you determine if your company qualifies for the Offshore Profits Tax Claim? The general principle is that if the profits arise in or are derived from Hong Kong, then those profits are taxable. So if the profits aren't sourced from Hong Kong, then those profits shouldn't be subject to any Hong Kong taxation. This seems pretty broad and up for interpretation, doesn't it? That's why the Hong Kong RRD put out an official tax note on how to determine whether profits are sourced in Hong Kong. In the practice note, the IRD specifically lists out the factors that it will use to determine whether a company's profits are considered offshore or sourced in Hong Kong. They break it down by business nature, such as trading businesses, service-based businesses, and manufacturers. For example, when a trading business makes the offshore profits tax claim, the IRD looks at where the profit-producing activities are carried out. What does that mean? So the IRD will consider factors such as where the contracts are negotiated, where the employees servicing those contracts are located as well, and where the management of the company carry out their work and make their decisions from. For a service-based business, this is much more simple because the IRD simply looks at where the services are being carried out. If you need more clarity on this, we put out a really comprehensive guide on our website, which I have included in the descriptions below.